Numbers. Welcome back to InWorld School. Let's count down together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many eyes does it have? The monster has 6 eyes. How many teeth does it have? The monster has 3 teeth. How many eyes does it have? The monster has 2 eyes. How many teeth does it have? The monster has 8 teeth. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Twenty-one, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How old is he? He is 12 years old. How old is she? She is 29 years old. How old is he? He is 35 years old. How old is she? She is 46 years old. How old is he? He is 69 years old. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. How much is it? $24. How much is it? $68. How much is it? $159. How much is it? $43. How much is it? $2,290. How much is it? $9,999. How much is it? $0. It's free. Very nice job. Visit InWorldSchool.com.